say that all ravens bite. You're talking about all ravens, even the ones that you've never seen, even the ones that nobody has ever seen, even the ones on Mars. If there are ravens on Mars, you're saying all ravens are black, includes those ravens on Mars. Well, how can you know that? Two different questions. There's what is knowledge in the first place? Must we know